So now let's see how we can work around with the system integration option inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the tools menu right here and then go under settings. So once I go ahead under settings right here, I can go around under general settings, and here you can see that system integration is an option. So if I were to go around and see right here, it says always check to see if Thunderbird is a default mail client on startup. So let's say if you want to check it out, you can simply check this and set it out as default right here. And you can utilize Thunderbird as default client for email, for news groups, for calendar right here. And you can also allow Windows search to actually search through the messages so that whenever you search something, it just shows up there. So you can set it up as default right here. And just like that, you get the allow app device to access the system settings, and if you were to allow that, then it'll be set to default mail client on startup. If you were to go around and then choose when Thunderbird is minimized, move it to tray, then when you minimize it, instead of going on to the taskbar, it actually goes around onto the tray as well. Then apart from that, you can also Windows search to search through messages right here from over here as well. And these are the system integrations that you can work with inside of Thunderbird to choose how it behaves with the system. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.